Drinking water on empty stomach immediately after waking up. Drinking water immediately after waking up is a popular ritual in Japan. Scientists agree that is very beneficial to our health. For our readers, we publish below a description of use of water. For curing various kinds of diseases, drinking water has been found to be very successful in the Japanese Medical Society, treating numerous diseases, including epilepsy, bronchitis, asthma, diarrhea, vomiting, urine and kidney diseases, diabetes, menstrual disorders, meningitis, arthritis, headache, heart beating fast, all eye diseases, prevents fatness, etc. 1. Drink 4 times 160 milliliters of water immediately after waking up, even before brushing teeth. 2. Now you can brush your teeth, but don't eat yet anything for another 45 minutes. 3. After 45 minutes you may eat normally. 4. After eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner, do not drink or eat anything for another 2 hours. 5. Those unable from sickness or age to drink 4 glasses of water can gradually increase the content little by little each day. 6. People who practice this routine will cure above-mentioned diseases and enjoy the full benefit of healthy life. Below we will describe the list of days it takes to practice this routine for curing certain kinds of diseases. 1. Gastric, 10 days. 2. High blood pressure, 30 days. 3. Constipation, 10 days. 4. TB, 90 days. 5. Diabetes, 30 days. Patients with arthritis should practice this treatment only for 3 days the first week, and continue daily from next week. This treatment method has no side effects. However, at the commencement of treatment you may have to urinate a few times. It is better if we continue this, and make this procedure as a routine work in our life. Drink water and stay healthy and active.